Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Geo Knowledge Revamped. So today I have come with another topic, India size and location. In this we will come to know about the location of India on the globe and in Asia. We will also look at the size of India with reference to the other countries of the world. In the beginning, I will talk about location of India on the globe. If you have not watched my last video where I have discussed about latitudes and longitudes and how they are used for locating places on the globe, please watch that video. That will help you to understand this topic more clearly. So if we look at the location of India, there are two lines of reference that we take to understand that location. These two lines are equator and the prime meridian. India is located above the equator, that is in the northern hemisphere. In the same way, it is located to the east of the prime meridian, that is in the eastern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north latitude, divides India into two equal parts. So all these things clearly prove India's location in the northeastern hemisphere. So we have already come to know that India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. That's why we will find that N and E, these two letters are mentioned with the latitudinal and longitudinal extent. Exact latitudinal extent of India is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Here we have to remember that Andaman Nicobar Islands are part of India. So these islands are extended further up to 6 degree 45 minutes north. Longitudinal extent is from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Let us look at the cardinal extremes of India. That means the states which are located on the extreme east, west, north and south directions. The place from where 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude is passing, we have Ladakh. The place from where 8 degree 4 minutes north line is passing, we have Tamil Nadu. 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude is passing through Arunachal Pradesh. And 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude is passing through Gujarat. Besides that, there are 8 states through which the Tropic of Cancer is passing. These states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. India is fortunate enough to have both land and coastal boundaries. The land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers long and the coastal boundary is 7,516.6 kilometers long. It includes the boundary of Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. As far as land boundary is concerned, there are many states which share an international boundary. These are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. As far as coastal boundary is concerned, states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and some union territories like Puducherry, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and the islands of Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, they all have a coastal boundary. When we analyze the distance between the two extreme points of India, that is from north to south or east to west, we observe certain things. These observations are like this. In terms of degrees, it is the same. That is from east to west or north to south, we have a difference of 30 degrees. That means from east to west we have 30 longitudes, from north to south we have 30 latitudes. But when we convert that distance into kilometers, we find a huge difference. The distance between the north and south points is 3,214 kilometers, but the distance between east and west points is 2,933 kilometers. Why is it so? It is so because the distance between the two latitudes remains the same throughout the globe, but the distance between the two longitudes is more over the equator, but as we move away from the equator, it reduces. To know more about this, please watch my video Globe and Maps. Location of India in Asia. India is located in the southern part of Asia. Roughly, it can be said that it is centrally placed. So, India occupies south central position in Asia. It is very well connected to European countries through Suez Canal. Through Indian Ocean, we can reach West Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, Australia. There are sea routes which are available since time immemorial. India is very well bounded by physical features. This feature makes India an indomitable country. In the northeast, we have the Himalayan mountain ranges. On the western side, we have the desert of Thar. In south, east, southwest and south, we have water bodies like the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. All these features together protect the country very well. Let's look at the size of India now. India holds 7th position after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. It occupies 2.4% total land area of the earth. Its total area is 3.28 million square kilometer. Like any other country of the world, India also has a standard meridian. We have already studied that India is spreading between 30 longitudes. 30 longitudes means 30 local times. For any country to function with 30 local times is not possible. Therefore, we have chosen 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which is passing through more or less the center of the country. That means it is 1 hour ahead of the westernmost point of India and 1 hour behind the easternmost point of India. These are the 5 states through which the standard meridian of India is passing. These are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. India has 8 neighboring countries. With 7 countries, we share a land boundary. We have Pakistan and Afghanistan on the northwestern side. We have China and Nepal on the north. We have Bhutan on the northeast. Bangladesh and Myanmar, they are located on our eastern side. And Sri Lanka is located on the southern side of India. With Sri Lanka, we do not share any land boundary, but we consider it as our southern neighbor. There are many states of India which share boundary with our neighboring countries. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, they share boundary with Pakistan. Ladakh shares boundary with Afghanistan. Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, these states together share boundary with China. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, they together share boundary with Nepal. Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, they share boundary with Bhutan. Mizoram, Manipur, Assam, Meghalaya and West Bengal, they are sharing boundary with Bangladesh. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, they share boundary with Myanmar. When India is combined with Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh, it makes the Indian subcontinent. Subcontinent is a landmass which can be identified as a separate unit from the rest of the continent. The Himalayan mountain ranges, desert of Thar, northern plain, the peninsular plateau, all these contribute in making this land a separate unit from the rest of the continent. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean. It is named after India just because India is the largest country among the 5 countries. We have learned today that India is located in the northeastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into 2 equal parts. The latitudinal extent of India is from 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The standard meridian of India is 82 degrees 30 minutes east. The states located on the extremes are: in north we have Ladakh, in south we have Tamil Nadu, in east we have Arunachal Pradesh, and in west we have Gujarat. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The standard meridian of India passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. The land boundary of India is 15,200 km and coastal boundary is 7,516.6 km long. The east-west extent is 2,933 km and north-south extent is 3,214 km long. India is located in the southern part of Asia. India is the 7th largest country of the world in terms of area. India covers 2.4% of the land part of the earth. India covers 3.28 million square kilometer area in total. India is bounded by Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. India makes a subcontinent with Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. That's all for the day. I hope the information helps you. Thank you for watching this video, and for more updates please visit and like my Facebook page and website, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.